Want to export your Capcut videos in high quality like 1080p or 4K? After doing this, you can get the best results without losing video clarity. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Capcut projects in 1080p or 4K. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the Capcut app on your iPhone. Then tap on the project you want to export. Now make sure you've finished all edits before exporting. Then tap on the AI, UHD, or Export for export settings. Here you'll find options like 480p, 720p, 1080p, 2K or 4K. You can select 1080p or high quality HD video, or 4K for ultra clear and professional level video. Then choose frame rate between 24 FPS, 30 FPS, or 60 FPS. 30 FPS is great for normal videos, and 60 FPS gives smoother motion, which is best for gaming or action clips. But avoid switching FPS during editing. Use one consistent setting. If your clips support HDR, toggle it on, and Smart HDR for better colors. Toggle on the Smart HDR for better colors and brightness. But not all devices support HDR, so this option may not always appear. After selecting your settings, tap Export. Wait for it to finish. Don't switch apps during export. After that, your video will save directly to your Photos app once done. And that's how you can export your Capcut videos in high quality like 1080p or 4K on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.